Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making smoothies. We're going to be making four types of smoothie, and for the first one, we're going to be making a green juice. And this is for persons who are just trying to eat cleaner, for those who are trying to work on their figure, and just to lose some weight. So for our green juice, we're going to use kale, cucumbers, green apples, orange juice, and a lime or lemon. You're going to need a magic bullet, a regular bullet, a hand blender, or a regular home blender. Whatever you have, use what you have. So I washed and prepped my kale and put it in the refrigerator overnight in the Ziploc bag. And then I'm going to add this to my bullet. Then I'm going to add my cucumbers. The cucumbers are washed and de-seed and cut into cubes, blendable size cubes. And then I'm going to add my green apples, and I washed the apple, put it into about 4 or 6 into size that can be blended, and remove the seed. Then I'm going to add some orange juice. You could also use coconut water or plain water. It all depends on your preference, but kale has a biterish taste, so I chose to use orange juice just to add a little bit of sweetness to this drink. Then I'm going to cover and then I'm going to blend it on my magic bullet. It will take some time, so you may have to shake it a little bit and do a little this and that to ensure it is blended properly. So keep shaking to make And you're not going to strain out any of these, so these are good fiber. So I'm going to add some more kale, and I'm going to blend it a bit more, and then we're going to serve. So now that I've added some more kale, I'm just going to blend it some more. Now that it is properly blended, I'm going to add this to my mason jar. You could consume this straight from the blender cup, or you can just put it in your mason jar to drink. It can be done the night before and put in the refrigerator for the next morning. So blendy, 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 blendy. And then I'm going to pour it in my mason jar or cup, whatever you have, and serve. So for my next smoothie, I'm going to be making a yellow sunshine, and it is called yellow sunshine because all I'm using is yellow fruit. So for this, I'm using East Indian mangoes and Julie mangoes, and also pineapples. The Julie mangoes are better because they have no mango here, and it's not stringy as we call the mangoes in Jamaica. So I cut cube and froze them overnight, and then I'm going to add it to my blender, and I'm going to also be using a mango pineapple juice to make this. So it is mango, pineapple, and whatever it is, everything is yellow or orange. And you could also use just plain orange juice or whatever yellow juice that you want to use. Right. So I'm going to add some juice, cover it, and then I'm going to put it on my magic bullet and blend until everything is completely blended out and properly rich, thick, and smooth. Be mindful you could also add banana if you wanted, because the banana adds a extra richness to the smoothie. But I want it to be cool and fresh and refreshing, so I refuse to put the banana in. I'm going to blend this and then I'm going to add it. So put it in my mason jar or cup and enjoy. Up next, we have our breakfast smoothie. And I call it a breakfast smoothie because most of these things are things that you could have for breakfast. So, to this, you're going to need your oats, your banana, your milk. I'm using a vanilla true shake. And the true shake, it tastes similar to an Ensure. So, you could use Ensure if you wanted. And remember, Ensure is considered to be a complete meal, and so does the true shake. So, for this, I'm going to add some oats to my magic bullet. You could, and I also added peanut butter because I wanted the peanut flavor. And why not use peanut butter? And I'm using crunchy peanut butter, so you know it has some peanut butter in it. So you add your oats, peanut butter, your banana, and your shake, and then you blend everything up until it is nice, rich, and thick. And remember, as I said before, banana contributes to making it thicker. And trust and believe, for this shake, I put it in my cup and then I drank it the following day. And if you know oats, oats is something that swells up overnight, and I'm telling you, it was thick. I did have to add some more milk to it, so I added some ensure the following day, remixed it, and then it was delicious. And it was extremely filling too. So you could make this overnight, leave back some of your milk to add in the morning so it loosens it up a bit, and then it makes a perfect breakfast meal. after the breakfast shake is properly blended, I'm going to add it to my low Godzilla cup. Yeah, and I'm going to enjoy. So as I said before, I had it done following day, so I put it in this cup, put it in the refrigerator, and I had to add some more milk to it the following day to loosen up it. But it is rich, thick, and creamy. This is delicious. Goodness in a cup indeed. Really nice. Up next, we have my favorite smoothie, banana strawberry. And for this, I'm going to be using my portable handheld blender. I will put the link for it below. I got it from Amazon. This is ideal for persons on the go, if you're going to work, if you are a new mom like myself, if you just want to have your breakfast and on the go, you can make it in this. All the smoothies that I made before using the magic bullet could be made in this portable blender. For this smoothie, all you need is strawberry and banana and your juice. And True Juice has its own strawberry banana juice, which makes this smoothie better. I'm featuring a lot of True Juice in there. Somebody just tag them. Send a video to them and let them know I'm using their juice. Thing I do. And the strawberry that I'm using here is from Rainforest, so it's nice. They have excellent frozen fruits for smoothies, so you guys can check that out in the grocery store nearest to you. So this smoothie is simple, easy, and refreshing, and all you need is strawberry and banana and your juice. Banana. I think I'm watching too much kids cartoon, but banana. So you add your juice, your fruits, and you blend until it is smooth and ready to drink. And you throw out the amount of juice that you want based on your preference. So all the measurement for these is based on how you like your smoothies or how you like your juice. So it's nothing complicated or technical, all based on your preference, and you're good to go. So shake it up and blend. So it was my first time using the blender, so I had to read to see, which you have to press the button twice for it to blend up. So there you go. And the blender goes until everything is properly blended. So it's not a case where you have to blend and stop and blend and check. It stops when everything is blended out smoothly. I love this portable blender. Feel free to get me another one because I never have too much blenders. And just open your spout and consume your smoothie. So this is my strawberry banana smoothie on the go. And all the other smoothies I made before could also be made using this device. And I'll link it below. And this costs less than $20. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.